Alrighty, YouTubers, we have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. I already took it apart. Sorry about that. I had to mess around with it for a little bit and install some apps and all that good stuff. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do, courtesy of Taurus. Definitely check them out. They got a lot of cool things. This is one of them, brand new. If you're looking for something for the summertime, you're going to be going out to a lot of concerts and whatnot. I know they got a whole summer lineup already going, so definitely this might be the thing you need. And if you do lawn care services or work outside or doing like yard work or anything, this would be a good one to get, especially for your older folks, so they won't get heat stroke during the summer. So definitely take a look at this. This is coming from Taurus. This is going to be the Coolify 2S neck air conditioning, intensive cooling in 1 second. It goes with the Apple App Store or the Google Play for the Android. Intense cooling for 1 second. Ultra long run time is 28 hours under the fan. One mode. Smart temperature control. One size fits all. You got the stuff on the back. Kind of hard to read. But you get a USB cable. Get one of these to charge it. Take it on the road. You can use your little portable battery chargers. So either or. Those will work great. Or just like a USB port from your car. Disc golfing you could do it for. Here comes a case. Kind of looks like one of those Oculus logo. Or a donut. A really nice case. Super thick. It will not get damaged. And comes with a latch or a holder. Here is the device. Like I said, you're going to be downloading the app. The Taurus app. You can switch it. C1. You got fans here, all the way out, and there's those. Here's F1, F1. That's the highest it goes on that. And this is the way you want to have it. See, Taurus logo like this. Very flexible, guys, and it's not that heavy, so you definitely get enjoyment if you're going for long walks, skateboarding, or even rollerblading. This would be a good one to get. There we go. Oh yeah, let me flip this guy around. Got my neck pretty good. You can see all the way through the other side. But yeah, you can feel it like so. And it's easy to reach the button. There we go. Oh, this is really cool. I need a shave. Alright, time to flip. And then now, I'll show you guys. Oh, I can stand. The app. Coolio, rest in peace. Shows battery length right there on your phone. And it shows the little fans going right there. Kind of cool. You could press. You can have it on cooling right here. Gentle. Natural, full blast natural. So this might drain a little bit faster than the battery, but if you have your power charger with you, you're all good to go. And super strong, especially those hot days. Maybe selling some lemonade stands, you know. And then you can do gentle. I think, yeah, gentle right here. And right there, all the way up. It's like 1 second, guys. Super fast reaction. Look at that. Oh, these are the heating pads. See, it shows it where it's heating up from. Oh. I'm going to try that on. I'll keep it on strong. I like it hot. I don't like the cold anymore. I'm at that age. But I never really been a fan of the cold. Yeah, so yeah, these are going to be hot, so be careful when you like switch it. Make sure you grab it from like down here when you take it off. Because these are going to be hot. Oh, wow. This is so cool. Maybe it's good for your neck in case you have a neck cramp or something. I thought I felt it massage in a minute. Holy moly. I mean, you guys can't tell, but I could feel it. Same thing, you know, I could feel the heat around here and around here. Ooh, baby. This is nice. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Especially on airplanes, you know, take this with you. Bada boom. You're good to go, dude. I'm telling you, this is simply amazing technology. Definitely a smart product. And you guys need to get them now before they sell out. Something like this will definitely sell out. Especially now with the summer coming up. Spring, I guess, it's kind of But June, July hits. Concert series and all that good stuff out there. This is the time to get it now. You still have a chance. Brand new, just dropped. Taurus, thank you guys for sending me this unit. And YouTubers, add it to your cart now. Check out, order a couple. You know, you and your friend. If you're going to disc golfing buddy or a golf buddy, that would be perfect for taking on the, whatever you guys, the greens. So, there you go. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good one. Take it easy. See you soon.